Hi guys, how are you all? What's up? Beautiful evening here. Lot of action happened in chess world yesterday and today. So chess, if you guys don't follow, is a great game and it has gained lot of popularity during this lockdown. Chess is a game I've been playing since childhood. My uncle taught me, and I stopped playing in the middle. I used to go for coaching, and I used to play a lot of chess. Then I stopped in the middle, and during this lockdown last year, I again started. Every day I play 2 to 3 games, and it's online. It's very easy. I play Blitz or Rapid. It's just 5 to 10 minutes. So chess, if you see, normally it used to be only the classical version, and it used to go for hours, and now it's you can play 10-minute game, 5-minute game, Blitz game, Rapid game. So a lot of quick variants of chess. Chess is a great game. It helps you to get new ideas and make intelligent moves. A lot of innovation is there, a lot of good memory skills you can develop. So it's a great game. And there are great chess streamers like Samay Raina, chess players like Anish Giri, Vidit Gujarati, Raja Bhav. So there are a lot of great players who have made it very interesting, and this entire chess has gained so much prominence. And these guys have entertained us for the last 1 year by these wonderful chess streams, made us fall in love with the game again, and it's an absolute privilege to play chess, and it's a great happiness. It's a great pastime. You guys should look to play. There are a lot of websites like chess.com, chess24. It's a free, absolutely free to play, and you can start developing a love for the game. It's a wonderful game. You can learn tactics, new openings, and everything. So, but we all know the chess god is Vishy Anand in India. So for years and years he has dominated chess, and he has proven to the world that he's one of the greatest players in chess, and he has made India so proud. He's a 4 or 5 time world champion. The first time I went, his dominance ended when Magnus Carlsen defeated him in 2013. So I was there in Chennai. I went to Hyatt Hotel and saw the match live. I didn't understand much of chess then, but I felt so sad when Vishy Anand lost, because then Magnus Carlsen ended up winning. I came back heartbroken from that ballroom in Hyatt. I still remember in 2013, and till now Magnus Carlsen is dominating. But Vishy Anand, still at the age of, I think he's more than 50 years old now, 51, 52, is still in the top 15 players in the world. Many people retire after 35, 40, 45 years in chess, because the skills, the calculation skills reduce. You have to calculate position moves, so many moves in advance. Many players end up calculating till the end of the game what will happen. They are like an engine. So Vishy Anand, so this fundraising event was fundraiser was taken place in chess.com website. It was hosted where the celebrities got a chance to play against Vishy Anand, and Amir Khan, Arjit Singh, even Nikhil Kamath, was the chairman of Zerodha, all got a chance to play against Anand. Playing against Vishy Anand is a privilege, and these guys are big achievers in their field. And they also play a bit of chess, amateur chess, but they got a chance to play against Vishy Anand, and it was for a noble cause, to raise money for an NGO. During the match, I saw in the first round, Sajid Nadiadwala, all these guys were playing pretty good moves. They're not playing like amateur chess players at all. So see, the problem is. And Nikhil Kamath ended up winning against Vishy Anand. The others all lost, but Nikhil Kamath ended up winning against Vishy Anand. So after the game, when was asked, he said, this was the tactics and that's why I won. But we all know, people who play chess, that he used an engine to win the game. And if you use an engine, you will end up winning. Even Anand cannot defeat an engine. You cannot defeat the PC, right? I think Garry Kasparov, a great chess player, had defeated the engine once. There are many engines that have come. Chess engines have developed. Engine is just the software. Engine is a software that will predict and give you the best move for every position. So people use engine, can be used in a good way to prepare for the games, and all top players use engines. They use engine to prepare various lines to give them an advantage during the game, so they remember the lines. So chess has also become a bit boring because of these engines. The innovation and everything has reduced quite a bit, but chess engines will give you the best move, and you can practice on that. But still, if the opponent deviates from the path, you need to know how to counter it. So that's the way. You cannot use an engine during the game, then it's blatant cheating. Then you're just using a machine. Rather than the machine, he can play against Stockfish. It can be Vishy Anand versus Stockfish, and not Vishy Anand versus Nikhil Kamath. So that was the problem. And to do it against a player who is so reputed, and Nikhil Kamath is also so reputed. He is the youngest billionaire in India, and the Zerodha is probably one of the best discount brokers in the country. So I mean, You have such a great name. You have got a privilege to play against Anand. And why would you do this? And after doing that also, he didn't accept his mistake. He kept saying he justified it by a very shoddy apology which he gave. But now he has apologized. So the main thing is he is such a amateur. He did not know that we could track, and that accuracy is monitored, and his previous games can be seen where he got mated in 3 to 4 moves, and then to defeat Anand is impossible. I mean, we play versus for 20-30 years, we still can't defeat Anand. Nobody can defeat Anand. Only the top 2,700 ELO rating players can defeat Vishwanathan Anand. So it was a mistake on his part, but it's not a criminal mistake. The way he's being bashed on social media, left, right, and center, that's because India, we love our heroes so much. But we should also not lose out the fact that it can really hurt the other side also very badly. Give it one day ago, Nikhil Kamath was also a hero. Nikhil Kamath was also a guy who has built the biggest brokerage in India and done a lot of things and gives employment. He did a lot for even COVID, and he participated also in this to raise funds. So his intention was right, but he did not know that this cheating is okay. He thought it was okay and he will get away with it. It's a big error in judgment, and we should have big hearts and not bash him left, right, and center and forgive him. And now that he has also apologized, I think to drag this issue and just say that boss kya Nikhil Kamath, useless Zerodha, Nikhil Kamath is the biggest crime he has committed. Come on, man. I mean, it's a mistake he has done. It's a learning curve. Everybody has learned from it. No celebrity will cheat. I'm sure there are also many others in that fundraiser event who the moves are very suspicious, but luckily they all ended up losing. So all the focus came on this guy Nikhil Kamath. So boss, just apologize, and he has already apologized. Do something for chess, organize chess tournaments, part of Zerodha, and win your hearts back. You are also a great guy. You started Zerodha, the biggest brokerage, and done a lot of good things. And you also participated in this to raise money only, right? So the cause was right. Unfortunately, you shouldn't have done this to a champion like Vishwanathan Anand, who is so reputed, and he has taken the game very seriously. You see Anand when he was playing the simults, not one game he just played for fun or something. He takes every match so seriously, and when a world champion, it's a privilege to play against him, and he's taking it so seriously. It was obviously your duty also to play to your best of your ability. You could have lost in 2 to 3 moves. Even Amir Khan lost early, and you could have also done the same thing. We never expect you to defeat Anand. You are a genius in your field. The thing is, the ego hurts, you're a genius in your field. You feel like, if we can defeat Anand, and if we can prove to the world that we are the guy who defeated Anand, and it gives you so much publicity. Unfortunately, it worked in reverse in this case, because he did not know that you can get caught like this. So that is the problem. So let's not keep extending this matter. Chess is a great game. The event was great. Samay Raina, Tanya Sachdev, the hosts were absolutely great. Chess.com is a great website. Chess.com India is a great website. And everything was absolutely superb in that event. The money was raised for a good cause. So this should not tarnish all those positive aspects. Amir Khan came, everyone, even Nikhil Kamath, he came for a good cause. He did a mistake. Let's forgive it and move on. And he also now knows, and everybody will know, that you shouldn't use engine during the match. Even players who don't know, because you can use an engine to learn. In fact, it's not good even for in beginning to learn chess. Using an engine does not serve the purpose. It limits your creativity. But you can use the engine, but please don't use it during the match, because you will get caught. But he's a great guy, so let's not keep extending this matter. I'll come with more videos. I just wanted to put this video up about this chess.com and Nikhil Kamath fiasco. It was a beautiful event. Big hats off to everyone, and chess is the winner. Nikhil Kamath will also become a winner. Vishy Anand is our champion, and things will be amazing. So let's not drag this issue on and on and on. I mean, the number of comments I'm seeing on Twitter from morning. Whenever I open Twitter, I see people bashing Nikhil Kamath left, right, and center. Come on, man. I mean, he did a mistake. He has apologized. Let's move on. And so this is the issue. And Vishy Anand sir, the way you have dealt, I mean, you are the jewel of the nation. I mean, I'll put you on the same level as Sachin Tendulkar. You have reached the epitome of sports. You have reached the epitome, and and we want you to again become the world champion. I know it's tough, but at this age also, we as chess fans see you as a hero, and you have to become world champion again. We want to see you again competing in big tournaments. Give Carlsen, everyone a run for their money. Give Anish Giri, one of my favorite chess players, a run for their money. We love you so much. So You also did a great job by participating in this event. So that's it from my side. Good night, have fun, spread love, don't spread hate. I mean, it's very easy to spread hate and keep pinpointing others' mistakes. We all do mistakes, and he also did a mistake, and we should be large-hearted enough to forgive him, because he has also now properly apologized. Yeah, bye.